What if 3 LaTeX tricks could save you hours? Today, I'm going to show you how to apply 3 powerful LaTeX hacks, step by step. The first and maybe most important hack is a change in mindset. Stop thinking like a typist and start thinking like a programmer. Seriously. The biggest time suck in LaTeX is repetition. Think about it. How many times have you typed out a long math expression? This is where custom commands save the day. Using newcommand, you can create your own shortcuts for literally anything you type more than once. Let's see an example. Let's manually write the mathematical expression in LaTeX code. Partial z over partial y. Let's compile the code and see the results. Now let's make shortcut for this expression using newcommand. Type \newcommand \pd. Variables 2 \frac \partial hash 1 \partial hash 2. Here numbers 1 and 2 are placeholders for 2 variables. Now by using the newcommand, we can generate same expression. Just enter command name, pd, and within brackets enter variable name, z and y. Compile the code. Here you can see, it generates the same expression as before. Let's generate slightly complex expression. Now I will divide the first partial expression with another partial expression using frac command. And within the command, I will use shortcut command. pd twice. Here you can see the result. There is no need to retype the same command again and again. You've just written a killer paragraph, dropped in a new figure, and you hit recompile. And then, you wait. The little wheel spins for infinite long time. The reason it's so slow is that LaTeX is processing your whole document, calculating every line and page break, loading fonts, placing high-res images, and running multiple passes to get citations and references right. So, here's the trick, draft mode. To turn it on, first, comment out your original document class line. Now, write this instead \document class, draft, article. Now compile the code, and see the compile time. The draft option tells LaTeX to skip rendering large images and highlight any overfull lines. That means faster compile times, especially when your document has many figures or graphics. Once you're done editing and ready for the final version, simply remove draft to go back to normal mode. For the last hack, let's make your LaTeX projects clean and organized using subfiles. Suppose your main file has become too long. Just cut a few sections, for example, education and technical skills, and save them as new separate text files. Then in your main file, instead of writing all the text directly, just add these commands. \input education, and under technical skills section, write \input technical skills and compile the code. And that's how you turn a messy LaTeX file into a perfectly organized project. For more interesting videos, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.